Hi, I'm Karina Kensis, Regional Territory Manager with VS America, and I'm here with our thumbprint desks. Our thumbprint desks are part of the Shift Plus collection, which in essence is a collection of tables, soft seating, and storage that all work together on the same 60-degree curve. So what that means is it's endless in terms of possibilities and configurations and what you can do. It's really like a kit of parts. The thumbprints are two shapes. There's a concave and a convex shape, and they're further distinguished by the colored caps, black caps on one shape, gray caps on another shape. It's offered in 6 different seated heights as well as 2 floor heights. The thumbprints are a mobile, stackable collection of tables. They feature a fully welded frame underneath, which is hugely important if the tables are to be mobile and going over thresholds and whatnot. You'll also see there's bumpers underneath that prevents tables from being marred when they are stacked. To stack them up, simply take 2 like shapes and line them up, one short side with one wider side, and then slide it on. They go 8 high. The casters are also very easy to use. To lock, you'd want to just kick that part down, and to disengage, kick it up. Please visit our website for more information.